Achieve your goals faster and easier with an effective vision board. You've probably heard of vision boards, but you've probably never made or used one. A vision board is essentially a large poster that you construct to help you achieve your goals. It contains pictures that represent your goals. For example, if you dream of climbing Mount Everest, you might include photos of the mountain, your hiking boots, Sherpa, and famous mountain climbers. It might sound like silly New Age nonsense, but a vision board can be useful. Consider what a vision board does for you. It forces you to decide on your goals. It requires you to review your goals daily. It sensitizes you to opportunities that aid in the achievement of your goals. However, it does not magically make the objects of your desire appear in your life without any work on your part. You'll still have to work, but a vision board can be invaluable. Use these strategies to create and use an effective vision board. 1. Decide what you want to be, do, and have. This is one of the primary reasons that vision boards can be so effective. They require you to think about what you want and to make a few choices. You might need to spend a day or two working on this. Think about what you want for your life. Remember that you can't have everything, so think carefully and choose the things and experiences that are most important to you. Be bold. If your vision board doesn't inspire you, it won't be effective. 2. Find visual images that represent what you want to be, do, and have. You can look online or in magazines. What's important is that you have the same feeling when you look at the photo as you do when you think about that thing. The sensation should match. 3. Arrange your vision board in a way that pleases you. You can be orderly or use more of a collage style. Each objective can have its own board, or everything can be combined on a single board. There are no rules. Follow your instincts and allow your creativity to flow. 4. Hang your vision board where you'll see it frequently. A vision board sitting in the closet isn't of much use. Consider your daily activities and put your vision board where you'll see it most frequently. 5. Take a photo of your vision board. Use your phone and take a photo. That way, you'll have it wherever you go. You can always pull out your phone and view your board. 6. Start and end your day with your vision board. At the very least, take a long look at your vision board when you first wake up and when you go to bed. You might need to rely on a photo if your vision board isn't in your home. 7. Use a process to view your vision board. Think about each goal you have and look at the photos that represent those goals. Allow yourself to feel excited. Go through each item on your vision board and experience success in your mind. 8. Be persistent. Vision boards don't work overnight, but they do work. They remind you of your goals and keep them at the forefront of your mind. They allow you to experience positive feelings with regards to achieving your goals. Keep at it. 9. Take action. Avoid the belief that your dream car will suddenly appear in your garage one morning. You still have the responsibility to take action. Using your vision board will allow you to notice more opportunities. Take advantage of them. Start your first vision board today and use it daily. There's nothing to lose. Making a vision board can be fun. If you have any children in your life, they'd love to help. A vision board can be more powerful than you think. Stay tuned for more helpful videos covering marketing, social media and other business tips coming soon. If you like our videos and find them valuable, please follow us on our YouTube channel Digital Promotion New Braunfels and our website at digitalpromotionsnewbraunfels.com. Like, comment and share the videos and subscribe to our channel.